What's up? It's Dmitry from FlexRC, and today we are going to talk about Pico X and Pico. Before we will start, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave some kind of comment with your expectations about this video. Also, at the end of this video, I'm going to announce the rules of the random draw for Pico X frame with Pico ducts. Let's go! It's almost winter season. This is why it is important for us to be able to fly even indoor. And Pico X is the frame which allows you to do exactly that. It is very light X layout frame with 88 millimeters motor-to-motor distance, and it can be used with up to 2-inch propellers. It is also extremely modular, and you can install all kind of extensions in order to get different results. For example, you can install these 3D printed nylon ducts and turn it into Pico, which will be safe to fly indoor. You can also use various carbon fiber extensions, like for example LoRa pod, which will allow you to use cameras like Micro Swift, Micro Predator and so on with this frame and have excellent protection for it. What is cool about this frame is that depending on the components you will use, you can build different drones for different applications. Like for example, you can build 1S drone and fly it indoor with something like 1102, 12,500 or even 15,000 kV motors. Or you can build something mixed use, like for outdoor and indoor. Like in my case, I've built it with 1102 10,000 kV motors, which gives me fairly nice performance outside. And I can also fly it with these ducts indoor without it being too dangerous. For example, this Pico X is built with Pico BLX flight controller and Cicada 10 amps speed controller and CM275 FPV camera with 1102 motors. Let's put it on the scales, and it is approximately 46 grams, which means that it will have very good performance on 2S batteries with these motors. Then if I will add some ducts, it will increase weight roughly to 57-58 grams, which is still very nice for this format, but it will decrease power to the level that it will be very easy to fly indoor without being overpowered. So you see, it's fairly light drone, and let's take it for a flight now to get a better idea about its performance. Alright, we've got here Pico X outside, and let's do some line of sight test. Let's hover it. Super quiet, and it looks so tiny actually, check it out. Let's push it. Nice, you see, plenty of power, and it's 2S. Nice, not even full throttle. Nice. Yeah, I'm very happy with it, and it's not even 2-inch props, it's 1.9-inch props, because I'm going to pull ducts on, and they fit only with 1.9-inch. Okay, nice. It's so quiet. Wow, very nice. Yeah, should be a lot of fun to fly. Let's land it and take it for some FPV. Let's start flying without any propeller guards. Let's go through this gap first. Ooh, that was hard crash. Yeah, it happened because propellers touched the wall. Let's go for another loop. This time just let's fly over the top. Ooh, and now we're stuck. Let's fly it now with Pico ducts. And it's already, I can feel, has a bit less power, so it's easier to control indoor
Ooh, we just went through one, and let's go here. Up. And you see, we can just bounce from various obstacles. Nothing stops us. Let's go back and try to fly through the same gap where we fell. Wow, no problems. Maybe I didn't touch anything. Anyway, let's go fly around myself. And now I want to try to fly between these lights. Oh, also fairly easy. Maybe I'm flying back. No, I just touched the wall. Yeah, nothing happened, which is nice. Here, wow, oh, yeah, I wasn't able to get it through, but who cares? I'm not falling or anything. Oh, okay, nice. Now let's fly a little bit outside. And now I'm again without propeller guards. They are not really necessary outside. It has plenty of power. I'm not really pushing throttle or anything. The camera I have isn't the best for outdoor. It's more like tiny whoopish camera, but it's enough to see where you fly. And yeah, I'm having a lot of fun here, flying quite nicely. It's zippy. Obviously I cannot unleash the full throttle here because it's a residential area. But it's very nice for exploration.
I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I flying Pico X at home and outside of it. And to celebrate it, let's announce the rules of the giveaway. All you have to do is very simple. Just subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below and let me know which parts are you going to use to build it and where primarily are you planning to fly it. Share this video with your friends in one of the social networks and make sure to keep the proof of completion of all the steps. In a few weeks I am going to pick one lucky winner and you will have to be able to prove that you completed all the steps in order not to be disqualified. Thanks again for watching this video and see you next time.